It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. So Bafana 3, Zimbabwean Warriors 2 in the African Cup of Nations. Bafana have qualified for the last 16 of the African Cup of Nations. Tonight, I think today is Monday, we'll probably be playing Friday, Saturday this weekend with whoever. I'm sure we'll find out who will be playing. Egypt end up number 1 in the group. South Africa are number 2 in the group. It's a game that Zimbabwe could have won, but yeah, inexplicable things happening in the second half with the goals that they considered. The second goal by Lyle Foster, questionable from Arubi, and then the third goal that they considered as well, a hand that looked deliberate, very questionable, but we'll take the win, of course, as a nation as South Africa. Junior Kanya, my analyst, what do you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikulo brother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uChasto.
Just.
Benedict Sovilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisela uThulindo Pep.
Coach, my coach.
Ngibulise uBobsin, ngibulise uShane. Ebafethu kunjani, keep us supporting iDisc TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. I think ngishayela coach izandla neteam yakhe. Ngikhuluma ngeBafana. Well done. Bafana. This tournament I see is we saw some of the teams, if not mistaken, I think Morocco could have ngikhuluma ngama host and a win and a draw.
Yeah, they draw the last game.
Yes, very difficult the tournament. But masingathatha uthando aside, there's reality, there's life. There's love and also a reality. Zimbabwe individual, ngikhuluma ngama players. I think players they are better. Some players like most of the players, I think they are better than our players. Because Tina, we get carried away when we watch our players go to premierships, Bashayeli Zandla. Le tournament expose ama player by le. I love ngihlale ngisho Siphombule. Sekadlala 3 game. Individually if I analyze him, because Sipho ipakadlali, I don't think it's going to create a goal. Angeke si dominate game, we're not going to able to also create goals. Sipho dead. Khuluma ngenechi. Very flat. I'm not too sure. It's like too unfit to Sipho. Going to the game, Oyonke, Zimbabwe energy. Very dangerous team when it comes to Mabas Breaker. But both teams they play open game. Kulmanga team with South Africa, Yona Zimbabwe. But team coaches we study open game, different competitions Zimbabwe. We play. Sifuna Breaker also want our wingers to come back and defend. And my winger they cheat. Coach, I'm not too sure. There's players that are like you, and those players are not giving him what he's expecting as a coach, and he's gonna get exposed. It's lucky coach a win. One, complain we won game, but let alone win a game. When you check our Zimbabwe the way is breaking a corner, you will see with this guy Mbogazi. We am cover this guy, This guy, too many mistakes, always late. Njengamanje last 10 minutes less of concentration mischarge miskika kanjani lebhola lwela la receive ibhola mangaba ukhocho almost supposed to a goal yabona le tournament le reminder AFCON last year uRonen usave even today I mean lebhola le save ngenyawo 2 na lebhola upright well done Ronen ngikhuluma ngepositioning yakhe usave uRonen reminder le AFCON last time first half le game be open. But Zimbabwe, the individual players, we scored first, but the goal is still not a convincing goal. Well done to Mreme, who touched the ball first time. But after us scoring the goal, and then Siabuya spaggy pass, every man behind the ball. And Kazuti, affinate, I think it began 22 players. I'm talking about us and also these guys. And these guys in the believe Aguyo, who to want to get the goal. Mentioning into Jabas Kulumangal, language as a sabi. Look at their body language. People equalable korile. Lengwenya le control ipola I losang ipola. Umuntu magashe mawkunyimbogazi lapha umunye bekuluza ipola. Yamkunya lisala la close control it's a goal. Well done imshayile lapho Ronza. Also how they dominate the game. In fact, they created so many chances, these guys, compared to us. Badlala speed and also bakwazi dominate the game. There's this guy, white guy, of Habish. Nyayithanda attacking midfielder so idlala wide, but it comes in. Uyabona ukuthi these guys thina sibaningi ngithi sidlala nga 3 defensive midfielders. I think ngasho central midfielder because I can't say defensive not central. Lengwenye la phakathi yabona ukuthi baningi. Idlala wide ingena la phakathi ukuthi ba 80 number. Very good player lo mchita lo Fabi. I think it's Fabish. Lengwenye le white guy. Very good player. Ngiyamthanda lo mjita. Also bebadlala ngoDuba up front Moss umjita ophumayo and this comes Sedame. Very speedy players. Talented, not just speedy players, dangerous players. Well done to Zimbabwe njoba ngisho thina us esidlala nga 3 central midfielders, one is slow. Ngikhuluma ngoSiphombule njoba ngisho ukuthi akasiniki nix. uyaya similar like Sipho Mbule kule tournament. It's giving us nothing. Tebza now is working over time. Him nalo mfana lo ispine say it like these two players ngizokhuluma ngalo mfana uBekezeli ucover ungezana. Also I defense nje yonke emashala lo mfana. Ngimnika izandla uOpri Mngino. Umuntu othi uOpri can't defend, Opri Vezeli today ukuthi he can defend once he can be coached properly. Now we apply the mind Opri kunala faka ibhodi yakhe across the line ukuthi ingcono we can't lose the game. Well done to Opri. Also Mdau did very well. Ukuthi beka makhane nomunye umuntu a talented player. It just be kwi battle of uyawina, ngiyawina. None other than that, second half, I saw the coach bring keeper this guy uyaya ulethi Obas ngasho ukuthi out of 10 I will give Obas ngasho ukuthi it's 5 out of 5 for me. Angeke ngithi udlale kahle, angeke ngithi udlale bad, but to stabilize in terms of defending, because we're defending bese concern ukuthi coach bekafuna ukuthi ngcono ngitrowe mhlambe these guys ngiyazi ngeke bayidli Egypt ngale bese ka calculate and then we'll go through. But if you can be say like as it is now, Zimbabwe supposed to honestly, if it's not a draw 3, they were supposed to be score 4-3 because Bashaipali goalkeeper save us by 2. Baphumile 1v1 Balsha uRonen positioning very well, we did very well. None than that mfethu our players I'm very disappointed. Also the Mremi ebaphendika intwana man. Nala ngibona laba ubreaker lo mfana lo kadlala unkotha wePirates. Our players ne physique bayileka. Uya kanjani ufuna ukudribble umuntu sekala iduze. We look exposed in certain position and well done to bafana if I can be honest abachita abadlalile. Ngoba the tournament sometimes you don't have to play good. You need the character. But indaba leso determine ama results going forward. What if we are featured abo Senegal, Algeria or okanye Morocco? We're going to be exposed. If you can't beat Zimbabwe phela they are poor. If I can be honest, ngikhuluma ngama resources compared to us. We've got better resources. But as ngisho, mina ngihlala ngikhale and ngikhuleka ngizo emphasize mfethu players who are proper developed and talented. Ama player a performer kule stage list. I players okhohlisa ku Betway Premiership because their teams abalective structure, and now when you see them here uyamangala and akumelanga simangale siyabahype la player man.
Yeah. I want us to look at the way we play. Do you have any concerns about it? Because it's been 3 matches. One of the matches we played, Ibola Beyifika kungezana, uMbogazi, it goes 30 yards up long, left or right. And we're looking to the second game with Egypt, maybe there will be combinations in the midfield, Aweko. Today, I think this would have been the easiest game if you think about Zimbabwe, although it was it ended up being actually a very hard game. But there's a problem with how we want to play. Asna style, asna identity.
Yes.
It doesn't look like there's a way that we want to play going forward.
I don't think issue with me now. Coach is always like Sky. But my win in South Africa, obviously, mangat niya issue this thing. Abantu bazothi I mean, true. Alright, the identity, how we play today, questionable mfethu. Udlala nga 3 midfielders, joba ngisho. Uyaya, the coach is playing him there. Tebza is more effective in midfield. Uyaya number 8, number 10 Sipho Mbule. These two, they're giving you nothing, which is Usipho, no Uyaya, Tebza. Angeke kuzofunction. There's no way engine function at all. There's no way the game can vele angeke kube ne-identity. So dlala ama-second ball. Because uMbogazi is technically good. Now coach rely kuye. He draft sideways on the left hand side. Bamnika aze ku-strong foot. He plays dlala nge-second ball manje. Because of in the middle of it, you're not going to play static. If uTebza ka movie avele, angeke abanye bavule. Yeah, can come. Usipho bafuna hlale yafinala abachithi. It doesn't have a speed. He can't play off the ball. Kule tournament if ukwazi ukudlala off the ball ngeke udlale. I mean njengoba ngisho nkuleko mfethu ngithi kuwe. Le tournament ifuna ama player ukwazi ukudlala off the ball. Ngicela uyibheke leze Egypt. Yes, dlale nazo last time. This lengwenya lezi into ngikhuluma ngala Northern Africa, ngikhuluma ngeAlgeria yona Egypt, nazo lezi Morocco ezidlala off the ball lengwenya lezi. They master of the ball and technically very good, but understand the strengths each other. Tina, i-identity silahla ngoba i-coach I think he's sacrificing. I go to coach akazi. He's giving nothing this guy. The coach keep on playing the guy. It doesn't care. In the middle, I'm not going to play. Ngizorla uTebza ngama moment. And we am overwork uTebza. Going forward, going to a knockout. uTebza might get injured. And coach yam spanisa when you get away getting results like so and then shy izandla. But truly speaking, ukuphendula, we're not going to play in the midfield. Kufuneka energy. Kule tournament must move off the ball. In order for you to get the ball, kuzomela opponent udoje. You need to be clever. So I think in this there's no movement much. Agna link man kula bantu abayi-3. I don't think there is combination but understand one another. And uTebza is not himself. I've been saying since Rulani left uzongibamba isandla esikhathi masamba. Akusu uTebza lo mina engimaziyo.
Yeah. Zimbabwe, I would think when we're sitting at halftime, 100% agreed with you that Zimbabwe should win this game. Ubabayafuna.
Yeah.
If they wanted to, they should have won this game. What happened to them with second half? Because in the first half, they could have beaten us. This is the second time I'm saying this because in the first half, they could have beaten us. And then Kabefia second half, it's a different team. With Zimbabwe, what happened with their lack of energy? Because they were pressing us. It was only after Shaya 2-1, then they're chasing 2-2 Wabo to get back into the game. But you could see in the first 20 minutes of the second half, Uguti, they're not the same Zimbabwe.
There's two ways in this. One, either they were exhausted. The way they were pressing on, wanting the goal. And as Mausa 1-on-1, you must know when you sacrifice. Also, you must get the ball. And they were dangerous also when they got the ball. We should be able to develop effort in Gurmanga first half. But it be questionable in the second half how they considered. Washington Arube's experienced goalkeeper. Le ball wangal punch. Questionable.
Even the head of Divine Lunga to even take it back to give Lyle Foster 1v1.
Okay, mhlambe ulunga ngamnika ipeni but right. Ika benefit of the doubt ngamnika but the goalkeeper ufosterani kulibamba le ball. Another stuff unakamba. Le ball le wide not convincing accept short le target le. Le wide walibamba ngesandla. Not ukuthi mhlambe limshaye by mistaken accidental no ulibambile a captain of the team. That's why it's questionable.
It's strange what happened.
It's questionable. Either they were exhausted because of postponing kakhulu. But though na second half, second half in a game. Bafana first 20 minutes they did very well in Kulmanga second half. But Zimbabwe, I think they were tired. Also Zimbabwe maguzama sub. Bafana similar, they came back like Zimbabwe living ibona. Energy moving the ball very quick, but run off the ball, I'm a 43, and we must catch up on a counter attack. Look dangerous, goalkeeper save Ronwen. But how they concede? Okay, Lela Remes, Ngalisho City, okay.
It's a deflection.
A deflection, but hey man.
Yeah, the second half goals were very questionable.
That's why I give me
questionable,
but we can't say Conintense again.
But anyways, we're not complaining.
Yeah.
They helped us. With Bafana. It's concerning for us.
Yeah.
Because of course whoever we're gonna play, who's about number one, wale your group, because we're number two. So throw number one we're next group, whoever it is. So I don't know what we have enough time to improve in midfield here to improve ubudlelwane, to play with each other. I don't know. Or the coach will just think like last time, if it's throw about Morocco, about Algeria, we defend, we hope for a win in the penalties.
Yeah, we as South African, we is concerned, man. We can't be fooled by because of coach is doing very well. Nyazgut is a European coach. This guy did very well as Tata Sisagu AFCON, as Sisagu World Cup, Simshalizan, Sebong. I being in Zegaftis Katesudi. But for the long away, this is supposed to concern us. Because true, if we go and Joba Vedas progressive knockout now, we're going to make better team, better organization, as well as Matima structure.
Matima Egypt, actually.
They are structured. And now the mindset of those players, they can play on the stage. They're playing in Europe. Most of the team are European, also big teams, local players. So now it's more mix of experienced players and quality players while up in country. Questionable in the way midfield, if you can't dominate in the midfield, and then you're gonna have a problem. We don't have players from on the bench. You didn't even call a selection. Questionable man, I'm a player that called them. But Nambing I believe, but true, that's why I'm in sometimes I've been critical with players. In the late ages, it's like Toulon Cup, so can tell. Toulon Cup, you meet players, I remember under 23, with top class players, 13-1. And we thought we could. This language development is tatas fit. The stage was exposed. You might think such a you will get exposed. Remember, we're going to World Cup. This is AFCON. Just African teams. We're still gonna go to World Cup. Yeah. So midfield we're not going to go all the way and win the tournament. My expectation is going to be difficult. We're going to play against the best team, especially in the midfield. I'm a player in North Africa. I'm a midfielder grand. Even now, so there's a Senegal. I saw their midfielders. Cameroon, I saw their midfield. They're physical, but they can move. Tina, us, we look shaky, man, especially in the midfield. Up front as well, players, they don't have character. Well done to our players also. So we win. angeke sithi kanjani kanje, but mina ngiconcern, this is a lucky for us. Mina nkuleko ngibashayela izandla, but masekela uthando aside, our South African, we should be shaya izandla siphinde sibe cautious.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Bafana Bafana against Zimbabwe. That second half was very strange from Zimbabwe in terms of loss of energy. It was very questionable, really. But we'll take it, of course. If you told us that we were going to beat Zimbabwe to go through to the next round, we were going to take that. So we take that. We are grateful for it. But yeah, there's so many concerns about our unwillingness to play football, put it on the ground, have combination plays. I suppose the next game will either be an interesting one and we will add another game, or the next game will be the last game of the tournament because it's knockout, of course. You lose, you are out. We shall see. It is good times, we're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.